Hi, welcome to Chat Back English. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be looking at body parts. So we'll be looking at the body parts as nouns and then counting body parts and also face and facial features. So let's start by going through some of the main body parts. We have a head, one head. So now you can repeat after me. Head. Good. Next, we have hand. Hand. Arm. Arm. Leg. Leg. Foot. Foot. Excellent. So those are for when we have one of something. And when we have two, we either have to add an S to make it plural or change, for example, foot to feet. So let's try. We only have one head, so we still say head. But we have two hands, so we can say hands. Hands. Arms. Arms. Legs. Legs. Feet. Feet. Excellent. So now let's count our body parts. So I'm going to read the question in red and then answer in black. So we have the question, what is this? Can you try? What is this? Very good. Answer. It is a hand. It is a hand. Very good. So, looking at grammar, we use a for consonants and an for vowels, where the vowels in the alphabet are A, E, I, O, and U. And all the other letters, so B, C, D, F, G, etc., are the consonants, and we use a. So if we said hand, the h or the H is a consonant, so we say it is a hand. But if we said arm, for example, it's a, arm. A is a vowel, so we would use an. It is an arm. Great. So let's move on to the next question. How many? You try. How many? Answer. It's 2 legs. It's 2 legs. So here we'd use it or it is, and then the number, how many, which is 2, and then the body part, which is legs. How many? It's 2 legs. Excellent. Let's move on to parts of our face. So we're going to start with hair. We have lots of hair, so we can say it's uncountable. Therefore, all of it is hair. Hair. Eyes. We have 2 eyes. Therefore, we can count them. 1, 2. So we say eyes. If we have 1 eye, we say eye. eye, eyes, eyes. Next we have ears. We have 2 ears. How many? 2. 2 ears. If we have 1 ear, we say ear, ear, ears, ears. We have 1 nose, nose. We have 1 mouth, mouth, mouth. We have many teeth, teeth, teeth. If we have 1, we can say tooth, tooth. Smile, smile. Can you smile? Face, face. Very good. Now let's have a look at a conversation. I will read it and you can follow. Hello. Nice to see you. What is this? It's an arm. How many? It's 2 arms. What's that? It's a foot. How many? It's 2 feet. Great. Let's read it again, and this time you can read along with me. Ready? Hello. Nice to see you. What is this? It's an arm. How many? It's 2 arms. What's that? It's a foot. How many? It's 2 feet. Great. So let's practice. I will read green and you can read black. Are you ready? Let's go. Nice to see you. It's a leg. It's 2 legs. What's that? How many? Great. Well done. That's very, very good. Now let's try again. This time I'll read black and you read green. Ready? Let's go. Hello. What is this? How many? It's a head. It's 1 head. Very good. That's excellent. So let's review. Head, hand, hands, arm, arms, leg, legs, foot, feet, hair, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, smile, face. What's this? It's. How many? It's. Great, well done. That's it for today. Thanks for your attention. See you next time.